About this item: VANBOW BT183342/BT283342 2.4V 800mAh battery pack. Repulse of the original VTech DM221 audio baby monitor battery. Also replace of the original cordless phone battery pack BT283342/BT283342 BT1663342/BT266342 BT1623342/BT262342 2SN AAA 40HSX2 over voltage, overcurrent, overcharge, short circuit protection. Best wire length for the space. Come with 4 pieces VANBOW BT183342/BT283342 2.4V 800mAh battery packs. Save money instead of purchasing new cordless phone handsets compatible with VTech telephone models, CS6114, CS61241, CS6199, CS6309, CS6319, CS6328, CS6329, CS6400, CS6409, CS6419, CS6429, CS6449, CS6509, CS6519, CS6529, CS6609, CS6619, CS6629, CS6649, CS6709, CS6719, CS6729, CS6829, CS6859, CS8010, CS8110, DS6151, DS6501, DS6511, DS6520, DS6521, DS6522, DS6601, DS6611, DS6621, DS6641, DS6642, IS7101, IS7121, LS6325, LS6375, IS6100, SN6107, SN1196, SN1197, SN6196, SN6197 compatible with AT&T telephone models, CL80100, CL81100, CL81200. CL81300, CL82100, CL82200, CL82250, CL82250,